And a Warlock, it's scratch built, it's got an I284 in it, dual deploy, coming off of D1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little crackle at the end on that motor.
Come on.
Working over, got an event, that was quite the charge. It's in a drogue. D2, Greg Olson, great to see you, Greg. He's from Elgin, Illinois. Flying his LOC Magnum 3E on a J760 White Thunder. Cool. Pad D2 going fast and low. Greg's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Open.
Love it.